Hello, Nico, David, Teams. Now we would like to focus on the next two main social media channels that are Instagram and YouTube. So let's start, if you like, with Instagram. We see that this is active for less than 1 year, and let's say to keep a regularity of 2 or 3 posts per week can be seen as very good. And it's very related to the Nico Luz brand as a yoga teacher and world traveler, and some personal stuff as well, and topics related to yoga, of course. So what we would like, some actions that we would like to recommend for Instagram, of course, to share compelling content. In that sense, the most liked pictures could be like yoga poses, retreats and lessons, to engage the community, to encourage them to hashtag photos. We just mentioned a list that could be useful. To be regular, to post consistently and increase, if possible, the posting over time, and then to expand the audience by connecting it with other social media channels like Twitter and Facebook. Regarding YouTube, that this is very important in social media nowadays, we have seen that it doesn't exist like their own channel, but is present in other, like My Yoga Online, that is quite relevant, and other smaller that of course are also beneficial. Some best practices that we would like to propose, to share in this case, are like that the uploads and activity keep the channel very active with regularity, so the community can expect what is coming next and they get it. So the subscribers will be happy. To create playlists, this can be with Nico videos, but also collaborators or some other content or themes that are relevant for the community. To also use tentpole programming, meaning to create, release, and package content that is themed around some specific events, that could be retreats, for instance. And once again, analytics, very important to understand which content, when, where, how, and by who is more successful. So it's a continuous learning experience. And we are in the era of collaboration, so in this case, why not for YouTube as well? That can help for cross-promotion with other creators, whether for retreats, but also for any theme that is of interest for the yoga community. Marketing opportunities, well, YouTube is the second largest engine in the world, so it will help to build and grow your audience worldwide, to score better in the ranking of Google search, and at the end it will lead more people to the website and probably more clients as well. That is all about. Strategic initiatives, well, first step to build the channel, then to create a cohesive strategy, a long time, to already use some content that was created in the past, some videos, to start feeding the channel, and then identify opportunities outside to collaborate with. If we focus on the first one, in the long-term goal should be a place where beginners and advanced yogis can find quality practice. The name could be Nico Luz Yoga, and important here as well, don't forget a banner with links to the social media and websites, so all of them are aligned and generating content and leads to all the online channels. The description of the channel could be like a free This World is Magic online yoga classes for beginners, and then yoga videos for the most advanced. You can decide the length and how to engage them, to then whether to subscribe could be another option for online paid videos. This is very ambitious, but could be one day, or just to attract them to see physically or flying how the classes and retreats are. And then to create this regular content by constantly or consistently updating the channel. Once per month should be okay for the beginning, and gradually moving to once per week. Regarding the strategy, well, the topic of the videos, learning and practice, seems to be the most relevant. And then, of course, there are other themes, more segmented to different customers. Short tutorials. Short tutorials, but also creating series, so the subscribers can expect what is coming next and they get it. And then some programming strategy, like with effective editing and quality production. This will require some investment. Some can be more homemade, some others will need to be more professional. And then the call to action buttons. This is very important to ask the viewers to like, favorite, and share the content, the videos. So it's encouraging the audience to participate also with comments, and it's creating your presence and your positioning online. And the playlist, as we mentioned before. The third step in the marketing actions will be like to use content that it was already recorded, and in this sense we just share a list of videos that have a huge potential to start with. And finally, collaboration. Of course, to continue on Gayam TV, but then there are also some good potential in Do You Yoga and Be Fit with 100,000 subscriptions that will help also for Nicolas. In terms of planning for 1 year, this is quite aligned with the rest of the social media channels. But in the case of Instagram, like, it's easier to create and share content. A picture per day is feasible with hashtags, of course, for the retweets as well. While YouTube, probably the quality should be a bit higher. Maybe it's better once a month, at least the first semester, and then try to increase to once a week. And collaboration is very important, especially for you that you are traveling so much and you have basically yoga partners everywhere. KPIs and budgets, and these are explained or indicated in the last page. We can discuss about it in the forum. We would say that it will depend also on your business objectives. How much do you expect or you can expend in the actions, how many clients or new clients you need to recover that investment. That will lead you to see if you can invest a bit more or less, and even eventually, why not, to outsource to the community management to third parties that can, and you can focus on what you like the most, that is sharing learning experiences in yoga. Well, thank you for attending, and we are moving forward, and also tomorrow we'll have time to enjoy user experience and finalize this compelling digital marketing plan for Nico. Thank you. Time to discuss. Ciao.